buddies. So, are you excited and happy to travel with me again? So, let's go to a one-day trip to Nandi Hills today. On our way to Nandi Hills, we stopped at this sugarcane shop. I was so happy to visit Nandi Hills once again after 15 years. Nandi Hill is one of the best tourist attractions in Bangalore. It is 65 kilometers away from the city and situated at Chikbalapur district. The best months to visit this place would be between October to February. The fort is open from morning 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. on all 7 days. In this COVID situation also the fort is all days open, but it is very much mandatory to wear your mask and visit the place. Nandi is also commonly known as Nandi Durga because of the fort built here by the ruler Tipu Sultan. Nandi Hill was also a popular holiday retreat for the British officers before independence. But whatever may be the history today, this hill attracts thousands of tourists for its breathtaking scenery, cool fresh air, and peaceful surroundings. Actually, this hill has multiple viewpoints from where you can enjoy the spectacular city view. Trust me, guys, you must visit this place to enjoy this scenic. Oh my god, I can sit at this hill for hours together. Trust me, I was so much touched and mesmerized with its natural beauty. Even the camera is not doing justice to its view. Guys, I must tell you, you must visit this place. After exploring the complete place, then we came to this restaurant for our lunch. They serve decent veg and non-veg food. This restaurant is run by Government of Karnataka. You can find plenty of monkeys on this hill, so be careful and be smart, otherwise, they can snatch your gadgets, thinking in return they might get some food to eat. After having a big fat lunch, we decided to say Tata to Nandi Hills. Guys, if you love photography, trekking, love to relax in the middle of the forest, and appreciate the beauty of nature, then Nandi Hills is the ideal gateway for you. You must visit this place. After getting down from the hill, we saw locals selling bhuttas. And trust me, I love to eat bhuttas in winter seasons. Oh my god, I'm really enjoying this bhutta and this beautiful scenic beauty of Nandi Hills from below. Trust me, it is a worth weekend I spent in Bangalore this time. Telling Tata to this entire place is not at all easy. Guys, if you like this video, you must visit this place. Thank you so much for watching and giving me support every time.